Hey! Want a crispy six-pack from a bulky belly? Then this video is for you. Top 8 workout for six-pack abs. First, Russian twist. This workout mostly strengthens our abs and back. Try to hold your back straight. Hold legs up for more of a challenge. Touch all 10 fingers to the floor on each side. And the important one, don't hunch at the shoulders. Repeat 20 times. Add 5 every time you do. Second, plank. Strong core. Flex glutes and quads. Maintain a rigid body that forms a straight line from head to heels. Tuck chin and draw head back to promote neutral spine. Forearms forward and parallel with body. Perform on knees is too difficult. Don't let shoulders drift up and remember the breath. Plank is a full body workout. Trains our whole body. Do it for 30 seconds. Third, mountain climber. Keep head in neutral position. Strong core and stable pelvis. Don't let your shoulders migrate towards your ears. Control the entire movement. And remember the breath. Perform explosively once mastered. This workout mostly straighten our legs and abs. Start with 30. Add 5 every time. Fourth, side plank. Strong core, rigid body, no raised or sagging hips. No rolling forward or backward. Neutral head position, shoulders shouldn't drift towards ears. Beginners may start from knees. This workout mostly focus on hips and back. Start with 15 seconds for each side. Add 5 seconds every time you go. Fifth, reverse lunges. Upright posture, neutral head position. Front leg should form a 90-degree angle at the bottom of the movement. Land your steps softly and in control. This workout mostly for thighs and abs. Start with 20 for each side. Add 5 if you feel more comfortable with this. Sixth, long leg glute bridge march. Arms to sides around 30 degrees, palms facing down. Tight core the entire time, flat back from shoulders to pelvis. Don't hyperextend your low back. Remember the breath. Start with 10 for each side. Seventh. Relative motion lateral raise. Strong core, no sagging or raised hips. Forearms parallel with body. Push through the front leg for assistance. Do not let your shoulders drift towards your ears. 15 for each side. Eighth. Rotational lunges. Upright posture, neutral head position. Front leg should form a 90-degree angle at the bottom of the movement. Land your steps softly and in control. Start with 20. Hey, gonna something good, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.